Hello friends, today I am going to tell you one awesome trick through which we can multiply numbers which are near to 100. So this is base 100 method. Let's see one example now. First condition 1. If both the numbers are less than 100, how to do multiplication? Less than base 100. 96 into 98. So both are less than 100, no? So how much less? 96 is near to 100. It is 4 less than 100. So write minus 4. 98 is also below 100. It is 2 less than 100. So write minus 2 here. Here we need to write answer in two parts. Right hand side part and left hand side part. Okay. In right hand side part, multiply these two numbers. So minus 4 into minus 2, minus into minus plus 8. Okay. Here base is 100. So maximum digits in ones place is 2. If we obtain single digit, you need to add 0 here. If we get answer in 3 digits, then 1 digit should carry over this side. Okay. Next, left hand side part. You can obtain the number by subtracting 96 minus 2. 96 minus 2, that is 94, or 98 minus 4, that is 94. In both the cases the answer is same. So you can take any one. Write 94 here. So the answer is 9408. So simple, no? Let's take one more example. Example 2. 88 into 86. 88 into 86. 88 is below 100. It is 12 less than 100. 86 is also below 100. It is 14 less than 100. So write answer in two parts. Minus into minus, write plus. 12 into 14, it is 168. Next, the LHS part will get by subtracting 88 minus 14 or 86 minus 12. So in the both the cases, answer is same, that is 74. See here, we got answer in 3 digits, right hand side part. But here base is 100, no? So we need to take only 2 digits. So this one should carry over this side. So the answer is 7568. Do you understand? Next, condition 2. Condition 2. If the numbers are more than base 100, more than base 100, then how to do? We'll see now. Let's take one example. So that is 106 into 104. Both the numbers are above the 100. So 106 is more than 100. How much? 6. So 104, 4 more than 100. So more than. So we need to write plus. If it is less than, we need to write minus. If it is more than, then we need to write plus. Here also answer we need to write in the two parts. That is, one is right hand side part, another one is left hand side part. So 6 into 4 is 24. Plus into plus, plus only. Next, 104. Here you need to add, because here we have plus symbol, no? So LHS part will get by 104 plus 6, or this is 110. 106 plus 4 is equal to 110. In the both the cases answer is same. So write 110 here. So the answer is 11024. So simple, no? So we are doing multiplication within seconds. Let's see one more example. That is 1112 into 111 you take. So 1112 also, it is above 100. How much more than 100? It is 12. So write plus 12. Here 111, it is 11 more than 100. So write the answer in two parts, RHS part and LHS part. 12 into 11 is 132. Let's into plus plus. Next 1112 plus 111. Do either 112 plus 11 or 111 plus 12. Both are same. So that is 123. Write 123. Here base is 100, but we obtained answer RHS side 3 digits. So this one should carry over here. So the answer is 12432. That means 12,432. Okay. Is it clear? Next, condition 3. If one number is more than 100, one is more than 100, base 100, and one is less than 100. One is less than 100. In that case, how should we do? Let's take one example, 104 into 92. Here 104 is above 100. 4 is more than 100. So write plus 4. It is more than 100. No, write plus 4. 92 is below 100. How much less? 8 less. It is less than 100. No. So write minus 8. Now write answer in two parts, RHS part and LHS part. Plus into minus. How much? Minus. Minus 8 into 4, 32. So write minus 32 here. The LHS part you will obtain by either subtract 1048 minus 8 or 92 plus 4. So this is 96, this is also 96. In the both the case we will get answer same. You can do any one thing. Either you do 92 plus 4 or you do 104 minus 8. Okay, so you will get 96. Observe carefully. Since these two numbers are near to 100 and 100 contains two zeros, add two zeros to LHS part. Add two zeros to LHS part. Then subtract this number from this obtained number. Subtract this number from this obtained number. Okay. Then again we can apply all from 9, last from 10. So this is 96. In that case we need to reduce 1, that is 95. 9 minus 3 is 6. 10 minus 2 is 8. So the answer is 9568. So 104 into 92 is equal to 9568. Is it clear? Shall I illustrate one more example? Let's see one more example. Let's take 106 into 93. So 106 is more than 100. How much? It is 6. It is more than, no, so plus 6. 93 is less than 100. So how much less? Minus. First write minus. So how much less? 7. Write 7. Now write answer in two parts, RHS part and LHS part. Plus into minus. Minus 6 7 ja 42. Next, we can obtain this number by adding these two or subtracting this one. So 93 plus 6 is 99. At the same time 106 minus 7 also 99. So I am writing 99 here directly. Now these two are near to 100. So write 2 zeros to this LHS part. Then subtract 4 2 for this number. From this number. Again we can use all from 9, last from 10. So this part will become 98. We need to reduce 1 no. Next 9 minus 4, 5, 10 minus 2, 8. So the answer is 9858. 5 to 10 minutes of practice can give better results within seconds. If we do same thing in traditional method, it will take more time. But here we can do with an amazing speed. So keep learning, keep sharing and subscribe my channel if you like it. See you in next video with one more amazing trick. Till then, bye bye.